So beautiful. Nice. Choi and Fan came here. A lot of stars came here actually.
Oh, I know her. Ah, I know him too.
Very famous. So this is the menu. But here you have the tea set menu, and you don't have many choice. You just have A and B. But yeah, this is good. It's usually a little bit cheaper than the other one. So you can see here, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. This was included also. Okay, one for you.
Thank you. And this one is going to be for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Maybe one more you done too, because you don't have this.
Here we have like a clothing market already. Ah, this is on the Bowring Street. Langham Place. This is a really famous mall here, and this is located around the Mongkok station. It looks like new building here. Impressive.
We are going to take the subway.
Ah yeah.
The pedestrian subway.
Ah yeah, we have to go underground to cross. This is the mall. There is a lot of people. The Lego Man vlogger too.
Nice.
I really like this shop. They sell a lot of cute stuff and new stuff also, like we are not used to.
It's so heavy. Wow.
Look this one, puzzle. This is like a famous anime.
It
Really
is.
sad story, but so good. Yeah, this is for you.
Oh, nice.
2 for 8. It's too small. No?
this shop is perfect if you're a bus lover or tram lover. I couldn't film inside, but it's so nice.